Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. Suzuki Japan has officially unveiled the latest update for the Suzuki GSX-S1000 in 2024, introducing fresh colors that maintain its status as the performance benchmark for naked sport bikes. With exceptional control, agility, and raw power, the GSX-S1000 promises an exhilarating and rewarding riding experience. The heart of the beast, GSX-R-based engine. At the core of the GSX-S1000 lies a long-stroke engine derived from the Suzuki GSX-R1000. This power plant delivers impressive peak power, complemented by a broad torque curve that dominates the streets. The exposed GSX-R-based engine sends a clear message to onlookers: this motorcycle means business. Bold styling and razor-sharp angles. The GSX-S1000's aggressive streetfighter stance is accentuated by stacked LED headlights and daring angles inspired by MotoGP winglets. Its upright streetfighter ergonomics, combined with a nimble twin-spar aluminum frame and fully adjustable KYB suspension, ensure controlled handling. When it's time to slow down, the Brembo monoblock calipers with ABS-equipped semi-floating dual 310mm rotors provide confident braking. Shift with precision, Suzuki clutch assist system. Shifting gears has never been smoother thanks to the bidirectional quick shift system. The SCAS assists in seamless gear changes and engine braking, making every shift effortless. Meanwhile, the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System offers 3 drive modes and a 5-mode advanced traction control system, along with popular features like Easy Start and Low RPM Assist. Choose your color: metallic Triton Blue or metallic matte Sword Silver. The GSX-S1000 is available in 2 striking body colors. Metallic Triton Blue Suzuki, a popular choice with white accents. Metallic matte Sword Silver, fresh and bold, with red accents. Pricing and finance options. The GSX-S1000 is priced at $18,190 right away. You can own this beast for just $92.13 per week with a $500 deposit and take advantage of the competitive 11.55% PA comparison rate. Whether you're carving through city streets or hitting the open road, the Suzuki GSX-S1000 promises an unmatched blend of performance, style, and excitement. Get ready to turn heads and own the streets with this dominant naked sport bike. Disclaimer: prices and financing details are subject to change. Please check with your local Suzuki dealership for the most up-to-date information. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.